Should you jump in the deep end? Hi everyone, Edna Kimble, Edna Sells, Century 21 Wright Real Estate, and we're back for another Tip Tuesday. And today we're discussing swimming pools. Now, this is one of the #1 calls that I get from homeowners asking, is it okay if I install a swimming pool and will I get my money back? And unfortunately, most people do not actually like the answer. No, you will not get dollar for dollar back if you install a swimming pool. But think of it this way. If you were taking a family of 5 to Disney World, you're going to easily spend $20,000 to $25,000. No one is going to reimburse you for that, but you have wonderful memories from a week. Installing a swimming pool is going to cost you at least twice that, but you're going to have years of memories that you can build upon. Installing the pool does not bring you dollar for dollar. Buyers do prefer homes with swimming pools. It will make your home more sellable, but do not install the pool to increase the value of the home. Install the pool to increase the value of your memories. So that's my 2-minute tip for Tuesday. Thanks, everyone.